Your trading plan is only as strong as your ability to follow it. The problem is, impulse and emotion constantly look for ways to sneak in and rewrite the rules. You tell yourself you'll wait for the trigger, but in the moment you rush in early. You decide on a 4-point stop, but emotion makes you move it closer because the risk feels too big. These edits might seem small, but they are the cracks that destroy consistency. Welcome back to Trader's Audio Edge. Today we're drilling into how to protect your plan from the subtle edits of impulse and emotion. This isn't about writing the perfect plan. It's about defending the plan you already have from the sabotage of fear, hope, and comfort-seeking. Left unchecked, these emotional edits slowly turn a structured process into improvisation. And improvisation is the enemy of edge. Impulse is sneaky. It rarely shouts. It whispers. This trade looks too good. Go bigger. That stop feels wide. Tighten it. Wait for confirmation, just to be sure. The language of impulse always sounds logical in the moment, but when you zoom out, you see the damage. Inconsistent execution, distorted risk, and rules that never get tested properly. The first step in protecting your plan is awareness. Start by identifying your most common edits. Do you move stops? Do you wait for confirmation that isn't in your rules? Do you size up or down based on how the last trade went? Write these down. If you can name the edits, you can catch them in real time before they sabotage the plan. The second step is pre-commitment. Decide in advance what you will and won't do. For example, my stop is placed based on MAE, and I will not adjust it during the trade. Or, my size is fixed at X% risk, regardless of how I feel about this setup. By locking in these boundaries before you trade, you create a shield against the emotional pull of the moment. The third step is review. After each session, check your trades against your plan. Did you follow the rules as written, or did you let emotion edit them? The key isn't to punish yourself for mistakes, but to measure them. The more you track, the more you'll see patterns in when and how impulse sneaks in. And the more you review, the stronger your discipline becomes. Protecting your plan also means simplifying it. The more inputs you have, the more opportunities emotion has to interfere. A plan with 10 vague signals leaves space for improvisation. A plan with 3 precise criteria leaves less room for edits. Simplicity is a defense mechanism. It removes ambiguity, and ambiguity is where emotion thrives. Another layer of protection is reframing. Instead of seeing impulse as something to eliminate, see it as a signal. When you feel the urge to tweak your rules, it's proof that you're uncomfortable, and that discomfort is exactly what trading demands you learn to accept. By recognizing the feeling without acting on it, you take away its power. Here's your takeaway. Your job as a trader is not just to build a plan, but to defend it. Every time you move a stop, change your size, or wait for extra proof, ask, is this written in my plan, or is this emotion? If it's not in the plan, it's an edit, and edits belong in the review journal, not in live execution. Final thought. Protecting your plan is protecting your edge. The market won't reward your feelings. It rewards consistent execution of tested rules. Guard your process like a fortress, because once impulse gets inside, consistency is gone. Build the walls, hold the line, and let your edge do the work.